Most people don't know the true dangers of chemical paint stripper. Putting your life at risk to remove some paint just isn't worth it. If you want to remove paint, rust, and grime, and do it safer, faster, and easier, use Dustless Blasting and stay away from harsh chemicals. Remember, Dustless Blasting is what the pros use, and in just 10 days, all of them will be at SEMA. We will be in the Central Hall at booth 24693. You'll be able to see all of our blasting units and hear more about our exciting turnkey business opportunities. Also, make sure to come by and meet two of the greatest automotive TV show hosts. Bruno Massa will be with us hanging out at 1:30 p.m. on the 30th, and Dennis Gage will be stopping by on the 1st at 1:30 p.m. Learn more about the future of surface preparation at dustlessblasting.com.